you been listening to yourself, cockhead? Poor old slasher. Right, individual. All you radio warriors out there, how about we meet up? Man.
Hey Slasher, can you record all this shit that he's saying? Some of it at least so I can hear it later.
He reckons he was going to beat my fucking head in. Come on, Slasher. You big cut, man.
Now you're making shit up, dickhead. I didn't say I was going to do nothing that day. I tracked you down without saying a word to you, dickhead.
Down in the side. You knew where I was. I told you where I was.
Yeah, fucking nicely done that, wasn't it?
My Akai, Jack. Poor old Slasher. You didn't have to track anyone down in those days. You already knew where I was. And you still were.
Why? You weren't broadcasting where you were, dickhead.
Slasher.
Too gutless to fucking broadcast where you are.
Know it.
Yeah, there never has been a more gutless person than that fuckwit. I presume you're still talking to him, mate.
No, you're right, mate. No fucking tsunami. Oh, no, right. Look at this place. Like say something for me. 3 this year.
So when so spineless, I wouldn't be there making up stories, would they? If they went so spineless.
Poor old Slasher. Think we need to go down there and buy him a box of tissues.
I think you need to take up my offer for the 35th time to meet me somewhere of your own choosing and time.
Fuck. Hey, what do you cunts do when the power goes out and your home bases are fucked? What, play with your cock?
Yeah, I reckon they would. Mate. I reckon they play with their cocks all the time on here. You play with little boys' cocks, don't you?
That's why I'm laughing at you, Slasher. That's why I'm here laughing at you.
You can laugh what you like. It doesn't bother me, dickhead. I know the facts. I've offered you up 30 odd times already. From a place of your own choice, and you won't need me. Because you're a fucking pussy.
I'm too busy laughing over the top of you, Slasher. Sorry.
What did you just say a minute ago? Oh, I've got kids. You haven't got kids. They've been taken off your fuckwit.
At you at the moment.
Come on, where are your kids? I can't hear them in the background.
Hey, Slasher, we all know you're not going to do anything. You had your chance the first time. And you still didn't do anything then. What makes you think you're going to do anything the second time? What, you're going to bring more of your mates? They still wouldn't be. Doesn't matter how many mates you bring, you still won't do anything, Slasher. We all know, mate, you're spineless. You must be, mate. Because, you know, you tell everyone you're going to come and smash my
Anyhow, I'm on the side. Yeah, I'm gonna roll myself a joint and listen to some fucking cordless phone calls.
Anyhow, I have to go now. I have to go pick up my son.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll myself a joint.
Pick up my son.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll myself a joint
Pick up my son.
and listen to some fucking cordless phone calls.
I have to go pick up my son.
Hello, my name's Adrian Zecevich.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll myself a joint.
I have to go pick up my son.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll myself a joint and listen to some fucking cordless phone calls.
I have to go pick up my son.
Hello, my name's Adrian Zecevich.
Pick up my son.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll myself a joint
I have to go pick up my son. Anyhow, I have to pick up kids.
and listen to some fucking cordless phone calls.
Hello, my name's Adrian Zecevich.
Anyhow, I have to pick up kids. Adios, amigos. It's actually Roger. Roger and Steve Pocket Horn. Let's go to number 4. 4 times caught Highbury. Yeah, he'll be able to tell you all the stories about it.
Hello, my name's Adrian Zecevich.
No, it's Roger. Roger and Steve Pocket Horn, dickhead. And no,
that, Teddy?
Think about it for the next 5 minutes, Adrian. Think about a time and a place you want to meet me, and let me know.
Sorry, mate, I mean, anyone with any brains knows you.
Why get over this cunt?
I mean, even Cunty said you're full of shit the other week, because you didn't stop and say hello.
Yeah, shit. Fucking I know him and I know he didn't say that. Fuckwit. Time and a place of your own choosing.
Remind everyone again what you just did. Okay,
Am I over the top of this fucking carrier, this noise thing?
past me, and you told him beforehand that you're going to come and smash my head in. Ha ha
Oh,
ha. Anyhow, I'm at my location now, so I'm on the side.
I wasn't even talking on that radio that day, dickhead. So how could I come and say I was going to smash your head in, fuckwit? I just jumped in the car, came and fucking tracked you down, found out what you looked like, for future fucking reference, dickhead. Now, I've offered you up to a place of your own time, fucking choice, wherever, and you won't take up my offer.
All those things you promised, you still haven't, mate. Anyhow, I'm